Hello, I'm Steve Moran down here in downtown Mall City. I'm a saddle maker, a boot maker, saddle repairman, anything and everything to do with leather. We just pretty much do it. This is a 100-year-old personnel saddle here that swells were shot on it, so we're putting new swell covers on it, the new stirrup leathers, and we'll put her back together and it can go back to work. Here's a pair of custom-made boots that I just finished up for a fellow. They're all 100% made from hand, scratch, right here in this shop. We measure your feet out and we build your last up to fit your feet so nobody else will be able to wear them. There's absolutely no nails in my boots. They're all done the old-fashioned way, wood pegged all together like they should be. They should wear forever as long as you take care of them. So if you ever need a saddle rebuild, or you need a new custom-made saddle, or boots rebuilt, or actually a custom-made pair of boots, or custom belts, or anything like that, just come down and give us a look. We appreciate it. Thanks.